So I go on a lot of Tesla trips, and one big constant concern for me is storage space. I literally have a net on the top of my roof to try to give me more space to put things. So I have a Model 3, it's small. The solution I'm about to give to you works for Model 3s and Ys. And by solution, I mean a better way to hang bags. Anything that you can hang from a hook, this is gonna work for you. It's super non-intrusive, takes like 2 seconds to install. So let's get into it. And we're starting back here. This is pretty much it, guys. Take the back of your seat. It's pretty basic. All you're gonna do is put hooks right here. And I got these from HALOBLK to help me out. They're car seat hooks, and they literally just clip back on here, and you can unfold them to reveal hooks. This is actually so exciting. It's such a small thing, but I have, after living in my car, because yes, I did that, I realized how important space is and how important convenience is. This will not only save space, but allow you to get through things way more conveniently. One for each seat. These are super low profile, super sleek. I love it. All they do is clip back here. So there's a little bit of space between the plastic backing and the actual leather of the seat. And all you're gonna wanna do is slip it over and press it down, and it just sits into place just like that. You can see how clean this looks. If I get out of the Tesla, it is super minimalistic. You wanna open it? No problem. Check that out, y'all. I love it. From there, we can take like this bag, for example, pretend it's full of groceries, and literally just put it on this hook. Boom, just like that. Put stuff back in here. It's empty right now, but I mean, look, it is hooked right there. You can collapse these as well. Obviously, this one's not gonna collapse all the way because there's the bag in it, but that is pretty good. I am straight loving that. While we're at it, let's just clip one on the other side. We are looking solid. I love this. Not only can you use this for bags, but I'm thinking like if you went to the beach and you needed to dry your swimming shorts or something, as long as you have floor mats, just like, right? I mean, just put some pants right here. I am so happy that this was added to my Tesla. I think this is one of the best purchases because I love more space. So yeah, if you want to check it out, I have a link in the description below. Again, I super love these, and I think you will too. It's super useful. I love looking at it. I just can't get enough knowing that I am truly maximizing my storage space without any kind of cons. It doesn't look worse. It's so minimalistic. It's so sleek. If I got another Tesla, I would definitely be bringing one of these to my delivery so I can put it on ASAP. Let me know what storage solutions you guys have for your Teslas. Would you use something like this? Do you have something like this already? I want to know. So definitely comment, definitely subscribe, leave a like if you found this at least interesting. And maybe I'll see y'all later.